guys, welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be a pretty late video. I was busy the whole day. But I am keeping my promise. I am releasing a video every day, even though it's at 10:30 p.m. Okay, whatever. Sorry about that. But anyways, I told you guys if we were to head down, right, what we needed to look for was left shoulder, head forming right here, and then we had a good entry off right shoulder right here, right? As well as then forming a right shoulder off of yellow, which we near of the day we just ran out of time, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder still forming, right? But you still have to be careful of this purple, as well as red, right? So we need to build pretty good risk to reward, honestly. So I can see this going from here, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and then dropping again, right, for a bigger drop, right? That would be ideal. But if we're dropping from here, like, just make sure that you are entering at a pretty good risk to reward, right? Pay attention for the purple, red, right? Also, again, if we're headed up from here, we need to wait, right? We need to at least get out of this, right? So we need to get out of this left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder off of right here. Then close the cup right here, right? And then form some type of handle, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then keep heading up, right? And we should use 5-day as some sort of support either here or here, right? So either at the 597 or the 600 level, right? So pay attention to that for that, but we will retest 5-day if we're headed up, so pay attention for that. And if we're headed down, right, same thing, right? Let the 5-day come below the 50-day, like I told you guys, right? So tomorrow, look out for what happens, right? So left shoulder here, head if we form it here off of 5-day, and then right shoulder right here of 594, right? So there's something to pay attention for, structures to pay attention for if you're headed down. But I want to show you guys now intraday and all the trades that were possible today. So intraday, I already identified this teal algo, right, which is pretty easy in AM, right? So what I just waited for was this left shoulder head to form, right, at 50-day, then this right shoulder off of yellow, and then the right shoulder finally off of teal, giving us this big 4.45 point move, 50 point move down, right? Also, you could have caught the move at the break of yellow, right? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? All the way down to blue if you wanted to take it right here, right? So that was a pretty good scalp trade, right? But overall, you did have to wait for the big structure, the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I kind of did make my money mostly over here. The right shoulder right here, right? I entered right here all the way down. That was good enough for me, as well as a trade right here. So I took pretty good scalps today, and I kind of got distracted at the end of the day to take this trade, but this is the trade that I was setting up myself from the morning, right? But unfortunately, I did not take the trade, but it's okay, whatever. I made my money earlier, so it doesn't really matter. And at the end of market close, we did have some weird price action, right? Testing 5-day, right? But yeah, so we need to see if the market creates a range right here, right? Or what the market decides to do, right? Tomorrow, left shoulder forms a head off a 5-day, right? And then the right shoulder right here, right? And then we head down, right? So we need to pay attention for those signals, the structure, and what the market present itself tomorrow, and just trade accordingly. But today's gonna be a short video, 4-minute video. Sorry guys, I have been out of it. I'm so like I just said I was gonna lock it. I mean I'm still getting this video out, but you guys know what the deal is. But also I want to show you. Let me show you in the 5-day, right? 5-minute. I mean, so left shoulder, head, the right like so. This entry right here, right at 1250, right? That was the trade of the day, all the way down, and you can see that we were in the strong selling, right? For the whole time until 205, right? So yeah, just that's what you just have to pay attention to. To understand the context, if you're headed down, right, left shoulder head, we needed to break below and form a right shoulder off of yellow. So you just take profits right here, right, and wait for the market to reveal itself. That's essentially how you want to do it. And again, like I said, you cannot be fully short until um, the 5 day, right, crosses below the 50 day, and then 5 days use some sort of resistance, right, and then head down, right, and then you could hold short long term, or you could hold shorts if that makes sense, and that would indicate the bear market, right. So don't have any bias as of yet, but just trade with structured demands. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and sorry about that, but I'll be back to my normal schedule tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye.